Monsoon was very active since last 24 hours over Goa state, and today the monsoon has been further advanced, and now it covers whole Goa up to Bengal, and means whole Goa has been covered today. So now the further forecast has been given that next 5 days there will be rainfall at many places, and heavy rainfall warning has been also given, and there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 3 to 4 days at isolated places. The monsoon has onset now. Before this, there was a pre-monsoon rainfall activity which was going on since last 3-4 days. So now that monsoon has covered the whole Goa state, and now whatever rainfall will be there, it will be considered in the monsoon rainfall.
Now, what about warnings, precautionary measures for fishermen? Any warnings and
Yeah, for fishermen also warnings have been given that wind speed may reach up to 45 to 50 kilometer, and sometimes it may go up to 60 kilometer per hour, and sea condition will be rough. So fishermen are advised not to go into the sea during next 24 hours. The revised long range forecast has been declared 2 days before, and according to that 99% rainfall is expected in our region. So that is totally normal rainfall, which is around 2500 millimeter.